Yeah, hi students. So today we are going to know about the decimals, the decimal points, which we generally see in our day-to-day lives, and we definitely will apply the decimal points in our like regular calculations and all. Okay, let me start the explanation with the definition. Definition in the sense like what is decimal? They are the numbers that include a decimal point, separating the whole number part from the fractional part. See, children, whole numbers are what? Starting from like 1, 2, all 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are what? Whole numbers. So, the point which you keep between the whole number and the fractional part is nothing but, see, in fractions we already learned the part of a whole is nothing but the fractional part, right? So point which you are applying between the whole number and the fractional part is nothing but the decimal point. Okay, the decimal point represents the boundary between the units and the tenths place value. So this one definitely I'll be explaining you in the next slide. Just remember this point, children. Understanding decimals is essential for performing more complex mathematical operations and real life applications. I already told that in real life, definitely we are going to apply these decimals involving measurements, money, and data analysis, etc. See, measurement in the sense we can just take the example like while you are taking the measurement or you're finding out the length of any particular thing, no, you'll be getting like it is 1.3 centimeters. In this way you'll be, you might just you have observed, just you recollect those things. And in money also, 5 rupees 25 paisa, 5 rupees 50 paisa, in this way you will be like general calculations we do, that is nothing but the decimal point applications. Okay, children. Now, next one, see. Before writing and knowing about the decimals, we should know how to read a decimal point. Okay, so see here, zero point 0.5. Okay, it is read as 0.5 or zero point 0.5 or 5 tenths. Okay, why it is called as 5 tenths in the sense, see, 5 by 10, that is equal to 0.5, or else in bracket I have written, instead of writing 0, we can also write 0.5, sorry, zero point 0.5. And in the second example, 3.75. Children, just remember this is very important, that after the point, whatever the numbers you are writing, that is 7 and 5, right? So you should not read it as 75. You should read it as 0.75. Okay. So it is read as 3.75 or 3 and 7 500ths. Okay. So 375 by 100, you will get the answer as 3.75. See here in next examples, you'll know how to exactly write the decimals. See children, 1 by 10. 1 by 10. See here, 1 by 10. Okay, in 10, how many zeros do we have? Only one zero, right? So, before the number, whatever is there in the numerator, you'll be getting point before one number. Okay, understood? Therefore, you'll be getting the answer as 0.1. And second example, 1 by 100, right? 1 by 100, in 100 we have two zeros, so after the point you should get two numbers, okay, two digits. So you don't have, you are having only one there, so what you'll write? 0.01. Okay, and 1 by 1000, so 1 by 1000, three zeros, so after three zeros, I mean like before three digits you have to keep the point, so you have only one there, so you'll be keeping 0.001. And in below example, 2, 2 and 3 tenths can be written as 2.3 or 23 by 10. Okay, so 23 by 10, you observe here children, 10 by 10, right? So you have only one zero. So 23 divided by 10 means before one digit you have to keep the point. Means before 3 you have to keep the point from the right side. Okay, from the right side before one digit. Because why are we keeping before one digit? Because we have only the denominator as 10. Okay, suppose if you are having 100, what you'll do? You'll keep the point before two digits, that is nothing but before 2 you will keep, that is 0.23 you will be getting. Okay, now so see here, 64 and 700ths can be written as 64.07 or 6407, that is 6407 by 100. So by 100 means two zeros, you have two zeros in the denominator. So before two digits you have to keep the point, that is nothing but before 7 and 0, that is before 0 you will be keeping the point, that is equal to 64.07. Okay, Next one, how do we add the decimals? So while adding the decimals, the main thing you have to remember here is first you add the whole parts. See here, 3.25 plus 2.5, right? So first add the whole numbers, that is 3 and 2. You'll be getting the answer as 5. Now you add the decimal parts, that is 0.25 and 0.5. Okay, so 0.25 plus 0.5, you will be getting the answer as 0.75. So the answer is 5.75. Okay, now add the whole part and as well as the decimal part. You'll be getting 5.75. Here I have given the note. Just remember this note. Don't forget to like apply that one, because see, in even the subtraction also you'll be doing the same thing. First you have to subtract the whole numbers, the whole part of the decimal point, the decimal number. Then you have to subtract the decimal part. Okay, 8 minus 4 is 4 and zero point 0.6 minus 0.25. See children, here you might be getting confused. 0.6, here we have only one digit after the point, but in 0.25 you are having two digits. Okay, so what we have to do then, after 6, after 0.6, that 6 is there, no? So after that 6 you have to keep a 0. So what it becomes, 0.60. That is nothing but like simple, in simple words, a small trick is nothing but you're subtracting here 60 minus 25, right? So because to like make the number of digits equal after the point, you are keeping adding a 0 which doesn't have any value, right? So 60 minus 25, that is equal to 35, right? So 0.35. So the result here will be what? 8.6 minus 4.25 is 4.35. So the note here clearly is nothing but, see that the after decimal point, if the same number of digits are not there, we can add 0. So if you are having one digit after the point, and and the other number if it is having two digits after the point or three digits after the point, what you have to do? You have to add zeros to that decimal part. Okay, so these are the few simple examples which I have shown you. Hope you understood this decimal addition and subtraction, children. Next we will do with the division and as well as the multiplication in the next video. Okay, okay, that's all. And if you like this video, just like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sunita Knowledge Hub, for more such videos. Okay, bye bye.